How to earn 5,000 rupees a day or 1,50,000 rupees a month? Is it practically possible? I'm gonna tell you in this how you can make this. First, you need to have a skill. Example, let me consider this. You are good at WordPress website design. Okay, so you have learned WordPress website design for next 14 days by watching my videos or by watching YouTube videos, whatever it is. Once you're good at WordPress website design, then the next step you need to do is like just go to Google My Business and search like doctors near me, restaurants near me, saloons near me, bike servicing near me, interior designers near me, whatever it is, you will get lists like this. Okay, just go to that profile and you will find a number. People who do not have a website, if you see the examples, few people having website and few people do not having website, you call to them, okay, and explain that you provide website designing services to them. Now, let us put some target on a daily basis. Every day, you need to call 30 people. No matter what, not extra, not less. 30 people. You are going to make 900 calls in a month. Worst case scenario, if you consider 10% conversion ratio, you are getting 90 people. 90 into 5,000. Imagine 4,50,000 rupees is what you're going to make. Skill is important, finding clients is important, talking to them is important, and closing. This is the process for making 1,50,000 or above to that. Thank you.